Hello, thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to present today. First, meet our team members. We have myself, Abdul Hassan, the project manager, Ashwita, the senior consultant, Ashok, who is a consultant of HR and data insights. We have Vinay, which is research analytics. So, before diving into our findings, I would like to begin by briefly introducing we are as a consultancy and the perspective we bring to this engagement with Horizon Hotels. We are a boutique transformational consultancy firm specializing in guiding hospitality organization through periods of significant change. Our focus is on helping companies achieve operational excellence, embrace digital innovation, and ultimately enhance the guest experience at every touch points. What differentiates us from larger, more generalist firm is the depth of our sector expertise and our highly tailored approach. Our consultancy style integrates analytical rigor with creative problem solving. This combination allows us not only to identify the root causes behind performance challenges, but also to design solutions that are both measurable and practical. Over the years, we have worked with various mid-market hotel chains, giving us a strong understanding of the competitive pressure Horizon Hotel is currently facing, especially within the UK's rapidly evolving hospitality landscape. Every project we undertake is grounded in our core values innovation, integrity, and collaboration. These principles ensure that our approach is forward looking, trustworthy, and inclusive. For this engagement, especially, we have assembled a team with complementary expertise in strategy, operation, and human resource. This multidisciplinary mix allows us to take a structured, holistic, and client-oriented approach throughout the consultancy process, ensuring that our recommendations are aligned with Horizon's culture, capabilities, and long-term ambitions. Understanding the horizon hotels. So, to provide context for our analytics, it is important to begin with an overview of Horizontal Hotels as it stands today. Horizon Hotels is a mid-sized UK hospitality brand operating 10 hotels across some of the current country's most popular tourist destinations, including York, Bath, and Edinburgh. So, the brand has built a long-standing reputation for warm, personalized service and convenient, well-selected location to a strength that have historically set it apart. However, in recent years, the organization has been facing a number of operational and market drive challenges. Occupancy levels across several properties have declined largely due to shifting customer expectations, increased competition, and involving booking behaviors. At the same time, operation costs have risen, putting additional pressure on margins. Customer satisfaction has also weakened, partly due to the inconsistency in service delivery and aging operational processes. The competitive landscape has intensified as well, with both large established hotel brands and new alternatives accommodation providers expanding aggressively in key cities. On top of this, market Horizon is experiencing internal challenges, high employee turnover, reduced morale, and insufficient training programs. These issues impact service consistency, one of the most important factors in hospitality performance. Overall, Horizontal Hotels is at a point where external pressures and internal constraints are affecting the brand's ability to compete effectively. key business issues. So through our assessment, we identify a set of interconnected issues spanning the brand digital capabilities, operation, and financial performance. Firstly, brand consistency has deteriorated. Guests are not experiencing the same level of service or atmosphere across different properties, which weakens horizons overall identity and reducing guest loyalty. Secondly, the company's digital platforms, including its websites, booking channels, and online engagement, are not keeping pace with industry standards. Competitors are leveraging advanced technology not only to improve the guest journey but also to optimize pricing, personalized service, and drive repeat booking, etc. Operationally, high staff turnover and limited training resources are having a direct impact on service quality. Employees are less equipped to deliver consistent, high quality interactions, which is turn affect customer satisfaction and reviews at the customer level. Low brand differentiation and underperforming loyalty program mean that Horizon is struggling to retain guests in a increasingly competitive market. Many customers are choosing competitors who offer stronger value proportion or uh, uh, value proposition or more engaging digital experiences. Finally, these challenges are compounded by increasing operational cost and declining profitability. Together, this pressure indicate the need for an integrated consultancy strategy, one that is strengthened operational efficiency, enhance digital competitiveness, and rebuilds a coherent and compelling brand presence in the market. Now I'm going to hand over the floor to Ashwita to discuss the project aim and objectives.
Hello, my name is Ashwita Inamaneni. I'm a senior consultant. Today I'm going to explain about project aims and objectives. The main purpose of our consultancy project is to assist Horizon Hotels to restore its competitive power, to achieve that through the development of a well-designed, evidence-based improvement framework. Our goals are aimed at identifying the main areas of weakness, the digitalization of the system, and creation of cohesive culture of the services in all properties. Moreover, we intend to increase the level of employee engagement, improve processes, and maximize the use of resources. These are in line with the strategic goals of Horizons of enhancing the occupancy rates, customer satisfaction, and profitability within the 18 months. And I'm going to explain the consultancy. Our consultancy process is based on a five-stage process that guarantees systematic and clear project delivery. We will start by identifying the problems of Horizon operation, HR, and digital problems with the help of the data-driven insights. During the defining phases, priorities and project parameters are defined. The design phase is concerned with the development of tailored strategies which will solve the identified gaps. The implementation will be a teamwork that makes Horizon own the results. Lastly, performance will be evaluated to determine the improvements in performance, which is sustainable over the long term and in the line with the strategy objectives of Horizons. And next, I'm going to explain research and project methodology. Our project approach is combination of qualitative and quantitative research approach to gain a holistic organizational perspective. The qualitative interviews and surveys will unveil the employee and the customer perspectives, and the objective analysis will be backed by the quantitative data on performance metrics. SWOT, PESTEL, root causes analysis, and SWOT are tools that will be used to access internal efficiency. external factors, and gaps in service quality. This combination method will make our recommendations evidence-based, data-driven, and consistent with the realities of operating the areas of Horizon hotels and the strategic goals. Thank you, and my colleague Ashok will take over. Thank you.
Hi, this is Ashok Telamegala. I'm a consultant to this project. Now I'm going to explain about stakeholder engagement, research allocation, and the project management. Now let's see about stakeholder and engagement plan. The success of the project is based on the proper involvement of the stakeholders. We are proposing a proactive cooperation with the senior leadership team, the department managers, and the frontline employees of Origin to provide the uh, correct information and the promote by in structured interview, focus groups, and habitual project reviews will be used to have open communication and alignment. The internal views will be supplemented by customer feedback or in front of survey. This particularly style create transparency, builds the trust and engenders shared ownership of a solution, which make implementary essay and the organizational change long lasting. Now I'm going to explain about research allocation. Uh, Distribution of researchers will guarantee professionalism, performance, and correspondence with the project goals. An experienced project manager will organize the work of special team, ensuring contact with the clients. The senior consultant will be concentrated with the strategy and operational enhancement. The consultant and the research analyst will be required to devote to stakeholders involvement and data gathering, and then diagnostic analysis will be conducted with the purpose of the define the main performance gaps. In the middle of it, we will develop specific strategies and implement strategies and plans and end up with evaluation and reporting, accountability, transparency, and timely will be guaranteed using the tools like Gantt chart, RSCI matrices, and risk um, registers. Constant communication and review of the milestone will ensure that objective horizon are met.
My name is Vinay. Today I'm going to explain these tools and techniques. We shall use a blend of analytical and diagnostic application in order to come up with actionable insights. The SWOT and PEST analysis will be used to evaluate current market position and environmental analysis of horizon, and the internal inefficiencies will be identified using the root cause analysis. To HR, the strategies related to workforce engagement and will be guided by the training needs analysis, the motivation theory by Horizon. Also, marketing will be informed by the use of digital audits by Hensberg. Also, marketing will be informed by the digital audits and CEO uh, reviews. The combined toolkit helps to make our solutions evidence-based, focused, and based on the operational and strategic evidence-based, focused and based on the operational and strategic priorities of Horizon Hotels. I'm going for the next slide. uh, High level recommendations. There are three keys areas of improvement that we have identified in our first analysis. To begin with, Horizon needs to regain brand consistency by implementing in common standard of service and operational rules in all hotels. Second, there is the need to transform digitally to appeal to the new generation of travelers, and this includes the development of websites and improved CEO as well as social interaction. Finally, better engagement of employees by using established onboarding. And I'm moving forward to the next slide, cost outline. And the cost structure proposed by us uh, is an indication of our dedication to providing outstanding value and the complexity of the project. The estimated cost of 18 weeks of multidisciplinary teamwork costs a total of 38,750 pounds, which will ensure there are competencies in strategies, operations, and HR. The consultancy pricing is competitive and also has flexibility in terms of scheduling and reporting needs. We also underscore the transparency in all financial issues so that Horizon Hotels can make quantifiable progress of the business and good playoff of the investment and the engagement. Um, I'm moving forward to the feedback and mechanism slide. After our proposal is accepted, we will start the project with a formal kickoff meeting to get the expectations, timelines, and the deliverables aligned. Every 2 weeks, there are updates that make sure the leadership of Horizon is completely informed about the developments, the difficulties, and the victories. Regular reviews based on the milestones will be will the facilitate feedback-driven changes, guaranteeing all the responsiveness and the transparency of the situation. Have an evaluation after the engagement ends to discuss the outcome and collect client feedback, which is the basis for the continuous improvement and the commitment commitment to long-term partnership and common success. That's it. That is measurable. I'm uh, I'm handovering to the my colleague.
Hi, this is me again, Abdullah Hassan. So, where comes the conclusion? So, our consultancy proposal showcases an organized method that is based on research to bring horizontal hotels back to life. The project targets the areas of operational inefficiencies, outdated digital capabilities, and low employees engagement with the aim of increasing performance and brand equity, which are all same. We will make sure through collaboration, continuous feedback, and measurable outcomes that Horizontal gets sustainable growth and better position in the UK hospitality market. And thank you for the chance to present this proposal. And we are excited about the prospect of working with Horizontal Hotels during this transformation process. And here is some of our differences, and that's it. Thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to present. If you guys have any questions or something, just please let us know. Thank you so much.